You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these abbreviation used in HTML, internet pages, internet coding for hyperlinks. It defines the link destination or target. It stands for hypertext reference or hypertext reference attribute. So you can say it as hypertext reference, or it's usually referred to by its abbreviation or nickname. It's not href, that's the spelling. The pronunciation is as href. It's generally how coding people writing HTML refer to it. For more names from tech, stay tuned. href is the pronunciation, how to pronounce href. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.